Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now begin. First, verify adventure rank and enough original resin, because resource limits shape what you can train. Once done, open the training guide and pick a recommended build that matches your playstyle. This ensures materials spent improve the right stats. Make sure to equip the listed weapons and artifacts before proceeding so simulations reflect real performance. This first action prevents wasted materials and sets a clean baseline for the next, more detailed adjustments. You now execute the complex middle steps. Start by following the guide's ordered chain, talent upgrades, ascension, then artifact optimization, because order affects efficiency and performance. Once you have the basics, run rotation tests in the simulator to check elemental synergy and damage windows. This identifies which substats matter most. Make sure to weigh stats using the guide's recommended percentages so you don't chase low-impact rolls. Also, monitor mora and material consumption continuously to keep progress steady and predictable. You're finishing. Validate final stats against the guide's benchmarks so you confirm target damage and survivability. Once verified, save build presets and run real-world tests in a domain or spiral abyss to catch edge cases. Make sure to compare results to the simulated expectations. That explains why small tweaks might be necessary. If things go wrong, reset the plan, recheck equipped items and artifact sets, and rerun simulations step by step to isolate the issue. This single troubleshooting loop resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.